So now we're looking at different types of exothermic and endothermic reactions. So one example is the oxidation of fuels, and this is a negative enthalpy change of reaction. So it releases heat out into the surroundings, and one example could be for cooking, like just normal cooking gas, and kilojoules per mole is like the measurement of enthalpy, and we're referring to molar quantities, so we're just measuring kilojoules per mole of reactant. So if 1 mole reacts with 2 mole, then we get 890 kilojoules of heat. Bearing in mind that the molar ratios do need to be exactly the same on both sides, otherwise we'll have to measure the energy changes again. So we'll just have a look at the bottom here. Considering a car travelling a 2 mile journey, so 250 grams of petrol will be needed. If the car is a 4x4, it's closer to 300 to 400 grams of petrol. So we just looked here. So if this is octane, and it will release negative 5,470 kilojoules per mole, then we get that, and move through the rest of the work example, and we eventually get 10,940 kilojoules per energy. Now this is definitely a negative exothermic reaction, so it will have a negative kilojoules per mole value up here. And respiration is another example of a exothermic reaction. So nothing much to be said here other than for every 1 mole of reactant we get 6 moles and 6 moles of products. We get minus 2,801 kilojoules per mole there. And endothermic can be this one. We look back at the previous video, then there was an example for calcium hydroxide, but this one is for calcium carbonate, and we release plus 178 kilojoules per mole of energy there. And photosynthesis can take in energy, as that's what the whole reaction is designed to do. It takes in energy with the sunlight, and with a bit of carbon dioxide and water we get glucose and oxygen being released, and with heat content. So really this was just a quick video showing the different types of examples, as that's all that's on this particular spread of the textbook. If you want me to go into any more detail, leave comments in the comment section below, or up or above, or wherever they changed it on YouTube after the time you're watching this video. Thank you very much for watching, and goodbye.